Right. So we all decided to go and learn Playwright with TypeScript. Okay. So TypeScript, no, we'll discuss in detail what is TypeScript, what is JavaScript and all. Okay. సో ఇప్పుడు మన సిస్టమ్ దగ్గర మన సిస్టంలో టైప్ స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ అవ్వాలంటే ఎలా రన్ అవ్వాలి? We need some piece of software to execute the TypeScript, right? So to execute your TypeScript, okay, so we need Node.js to be installed on the system. ఓకే, సో మనకి జావా C# ఎలాగైతే ఉందో అలా Node.js అనేది ఒక ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఓకే, ఆ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ రన్ చేయడానికి దానికి సపరేట్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అనేది ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దాన్ని Node.js అంటాం. సో దాన్ని నోట్ సర్వర్ కూడా అంటాం మనం. ఇప్పుడు ఆ నోట్ సర్వర్ని మన సిస్టమ్ మీద ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి మనం. సో హౌ కెన్ వీ ఇన్స్టాల్ దట్, రైట్? అదొక ఓపెన్ సోర్స్, మనం ఏం మనీ కానీ ఏం పే చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓపెన్ సోర్స్, యూ కెన్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఇన్ ఏ సింగిల్ క్లిక్. ఓకే, సో ప్రతి గో టు గూగుల్, జస్ట్ టైప్ Node.js download.
నా నైట్ Node.js డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి పాస్ సెటప్ చేశాను.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll
Yeah, okay.
go to the first link and wait for here. Wait. So here you can able to see get Node.js 22.19.0 LTS. Okay, what you mean by LTS? LTS stands for latest stable build. Okay, so there are no issues, nothing available. We can download it. Okay, like no, there won't be any compatibility issue that comes up if you use LTS. Okay, just to scroll down, a bit down. Yeah, so if you choose your Windows, you'll get your Windows dot installer. Okay, if you use your Mac, you'll get .dmg or .pkg. Okay, so now just go and click on your Windows installer. Okay, so double click on the installer, it automatically will install. Just click on next button click చేస్తామండి, it will install in 2 minutes. Okay, yeah. After I think you already installed, right? You already installed అవసరం లేదు. Others, okay, just keep clicking next, you won't get any error. Okay, so once you install this, how can you certify that your system had accepted your Node.js installation? నీ సిస్టంలో Node.js సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ఇన్స్టాల్ అయింది ఎలా కనుక్కోగలుగుతాం? ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఓపెన్ టెర్మినల్ ప్లీజ్.
సిస్టమ్ ప్రాపర్టీ, కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్,
టెర్మినల్ కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్, ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ టైప్ node --- version స్పేస్ ఇవ్వాలి, నోడ్కి --- enter. So just now we install the version as 2022.19.0. If you are not getting this message on your system, there might be a small issue that is going through. Okay, so even if you get, or if you are not getting this message, follow this instruction. So what you want to do, so go to your C drive, okay, program files, okay, just search for Node.js. You'll be able to see the Node.js folder there. Okay, this is whatever you have selected, man. Just now you selected it. Yeah. Double click on it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so just copy this path, whatever the path Pradeep is selected here, right? Just copy that path. Okay, yes. Now go to your my computer, which is called as this PC. My computer is called as this PC, right? Click on it. Okay, right click on it. No, on this PC only. Properties, go to properties. On your right hand side, there is something called as advanced system settings. Click on it. Okay. Now choose environment variables. Okay. So under system variables, don't go to the top section, go to the bottom section, which is called as system section, system variables. Go and locate a variable called as not this one. Go and locate a variable called as path, P-A-T-H. Okay. Click on edit. Now just locate if your Node.js is available or not. If it is not there, just click on new and add it. So if you see here, last but not one, the Node.js is available. If it is there, ignore it. If not, add it. Click on cancel now. It is already there for you. Yeah. So
The same path will be copied here, correct?
yes, you have to paste your path. Okay. Then after, come here and click on new. So just type node underscore home, everything in capital. Capital. Okay. Put your variable there. Paste the path. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. So why we need this node underscore home is, I'll tell you, when we start working with Docker, when we start working with Jenkins, so then at that point of time we need this variable. Okay. I'll show you in detail that. Okay. So then restart your terminal, close your terminal and reopen your terminal. Execute the same command, node space hyphen version. You'll get your version there. Got it? All good? Now just type node Pradeep. Enter. Yes. So now node is also allowing you to do some coding here. Okay. So I still believe when I was doing my bachelor's, right? That time we don't have any editors. We used to code everything in a notepad. I think now the technology has been changed later than. So we don't know in which line we are facing the error. We can't even anticipate what method I should go and write for a string. It was that difficult. Only if we compile, we are able to generate the, we can able to see what is the error. It was like that. Even for Java, even it's for C, C++, it was like that only. Okay. So now, without intelligence or without any support, we cannot boost the productivity here. Okay. We cannot write a good code. So to overcome all these problems, in market, there are so many editors available. ఓకే సో మనకి ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ లేకపోతే కోడ్ రాయడం కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. అంత తొందరగా రాయలేం, అంత ఫాస్ట్గా రాయలేం. ఇష్యూ ఎక్కడ వచ్చిందో కనుక్కోవడం కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది మనం డీబగ్ చేయాలంటే. ప్రతిసారి నువ్వు ఫైల్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి, అది లైన్ చెప్తుంది. ఏదైనా ముందు లైన్ చూపిస్తుంది, లేదంటే ఆ కరెంట్ లైన్ చూపిస్తుంది. సో ఎర్రర్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చిందో కనుక్కోవడం కూడా చాలా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉండేది మనకి. సో వాటన్నిటి ఓవర్కమ్ చేయడం కోసం మనకి మార్కెట్లో చాలా ఎడిటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే. సో ఆ ఎడిటర్స్ ఏమున్నాయి, ఎలా యూటిలైజ్ చేయాలి నేర్చుకుందాం ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే. సో in market there are different editors available. We have Visual Studio Code, we have JS editors, so many editors are available. So but we need the most trending editor which is having lot of features, okay, which enable to execute multiple lines, multiple types of programming languages. So that editor, that IDE, I'll call it as IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. That IDE is called as VS Code. Okay. So again, this is owned by Microsoft and it is available for open source free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. So just go to Google and type VS Code download. I click on the first link. Right. Choose your right operating system. Okay. If you are going to work on Windows, just click on that Windows 10 or 11. Yeah.
If it is before, even if it is before 10 also, will it work or should I upgrade? I don't think this is.
Still people are using Windows 10, dude.
I mean, this is an old PC actually.
Not sure, man. Then just give it a try.
Yeah.
Okay. It won't take much time. It will download quickly. Let it install. Right click properties. See what is the OS you are using. Come down. It won't be Windows
Windows 10.
Windows 10 only.
Windows 10 Pro.
It's been almost 7 years I left Windows, dude. I don't know. Let's give it a try. If it's not
Yeah,
installed,
yeah, I did.
throwing any other?
No.
Yeah. So just double click on it. Click on run. Okay. So this is also not a rocket science. It's very simple. Just click on accept. Click on next, next, next. Nothing else. Or just go back. Ensure that you check this checkbox called create desktop icon so that it will be easy for you to open every time Visual Studio Code. A icon will be displayed on the desktop. Right? Click on finish. Right. Okay. So don't enable that anything right now. Okay. So there is an option available called as choose your theme. So which editor you want? You want to work in a dark mode or light mode? It's up to you guys. The second option, Pradeep. Choose your theme. Below that, there is a radio button available. See? Click on it. Either you want to use dark mode or light mode. It's up to you guys. Okay? Yeah. Now, just close this window. Close all the windows here. No. Go to Visual Studio, go back. Okay. No. The below one. There is a Copilot window is available. Close that. Now go and close this welcome note, the walkthrough note. Here. This one. Okay? Yeah. Fine. So now what we want to do? So now we need to start installing Playwright. So how do I start installing Playwright? Right? So now what you want to do here is, now go to your terminal, go to command line. Okay. Press Control C twice, Pradeep, continuously.
Control C.
Control C. Yeah. So if you not twice, if you press twice, it will exit from the Node.js. Now go to your document, cd space documents, cd space, no, here only. We'll go with the command prompt. CD space documents, enter. Guys, it's up to you which location you want to migrate on your system. You migrate it. I preferably go with the document. That's the reason I gave documents here. It's not you have to use documents only the path where you can write your code. It's not the case. Okay, choose your own location. Okay, so now execute the command called as mkdir. M stands for monkey. mkdir. So mkdir nothing but your make directory. We are going to create a new directory here. Space playwright space hyphen learning.
One icon.
One is enough. Hyphen learning. So don't give any spaces in between. Don't give any special characters other than hyphen or underscore. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Now cd space playwright hyphen tab. Just give a tab. Just give a tab. Yeah. Now press enter. So now you will be moving into this particular folder. Okay. Now you are in the folder that whatever we have created. Now we have to install our playwright in this selected path. So how do I install my playwright? Okay. It should execute through your command. It should execute through your command prompt. npm install. npm n stands for n stands for night. npm space pm space install space playwright at the rate of latest latest. Okay, every day playwright might be keep pushing different features. So this is the first time I'm going to be installed. Let me get the latest one. Press enter. Wait. A complete log. Wait, once what happened?
I think
New major version of npm is available. Wait. Pradeep, can you run this? No. Can you run that command?
I just did once again.
What
Earlier
happened?
there was a hyphen added at the end. So now I retried without hyphen. Sorry, exclamatory hyphen.
No, it will ask so many commands to execute in parallel.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Can you go to the folder that we created? Let's go and see what's there. No, document. Go to your documents.
Oh, sorry.
Playwright learning is there. Right? Third option. So go back to your terminal. Can you delete all of these? All the folders that whatever you have available. Can you delete all of this? No. Go to the same folder. Don't close it. Go to the same folder. Delete all the files that are there.
Acha, okay.
Okay. So let's change the command and try with this command. npm init
npm init
space always space init space playwright at the rate of latest. Click on yes. Press enter. Yes, you are going to learn TypeScript. Okay, press enter. Enter. Sorry. Is it raining in Hyderabad still?
Until last night, yes.
Here in my home, it is 33, 34, man. It's too hot here, too humid.
Mm.
Mohan still sleeping, man?
No, Pratap.
Oh, Pratap. Okay, I'll call you, man. Done. So don't worry about the word called happy hacking. Happy is nothing but like it's a welcome note by Playwright. Okay. So now what you do? Go back to your Visual Studio Code. Click on File. Right. Open folder. Look at your folder, man. Go to Documents. So the third option, Playwright Selenium. Just click on Select Folder. Don't do anything. Just click on Select Folder. No. Just click on Select Folder. Nothing.
Select folder as a I didn't get it.
Yeah. No. In bottom
Acha,
it
okay,
is
okay, okay.
option का select folder, right? Use that.
Oh, okay.
Now check the checkbox. Trust the others. Yeah. Yes, I trust the others. Okay. So now just go and close that mark through set of Visual Studio Code. Right? Don't use any AI right now. Else it won't make it to learn anything.
Okay.
Okay. On your right hand side, can you close this Copilot window? Right. So now you have chosen that particular folder, dude. Just go back to your file. Open folder. Okay. Just select the. No. Don't do.
Mm.
Go back. Just select that folder. Okay. Now click on select folder. Okay. So this is the one you should have. Okay. Just be on hold. Is there anything that is loading down in the bottom? Nothing, right?
No.
Right. Fine. Now, what you do, right? So we have installed it, but we need some helper, man. What is that helper? Where can I go and find that helper? So helper is nothing but to understand better about my playwright. So they have given a plugin. They have given a plugin which can help you throughout your coding. Okay, for better standards, for better syntax, they have their own plugin developed. Okay, no, be on Visual Studio Code only. Okay, so now go and click on this fourth icon available on the left hand side, which is called as extensions. Can you see I have highlighted here, Pradeep?
Okay.
Yeah, go and click on it. Right. Now here on the search window here, type playwright. Okay. So always choose the plugin which is certified by Microsoft. This is Microsoft developed plugin. So in the market there are thousands of plugins which are being developed. Don't use that. Try to use only the Microsoft given one. Okay. Choose the first option. Go to the top. Go to the top, Pradeep. This one. Okay. Now click on install. Click on install here. Yeah. Okay. So Pradeep, just restart your Visual Studio Code.
Can I exit and do it?
Yeah, you have to exit. Exit. Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Right. Now, how do you ensure that your playwright is supporting you to execute the scripts? Okay. So now on your left hand side, you should be able to see something called as tests.
Yeah, test examples.
This one, this one, this one. Not test, not exam, test. Okay. So don't worry about all of these. What is this test and what test examples I'll explain in detail. Not to worry on that. Okay. Now go and click on this example.spec.ts. There is a file available called example.spec.ts. Okay. So now on bottom there is something that is getting loaded. Can you see here?
Yes. It's
Okay.
spinning.
Yeah. Let's that runner should get complete. Okay. So now from today onwards, just imagine that or keep a rule point in your mind saying that I should not go.
Hey, Pratap, are we still there?
I think it's speaking.
Yeah. So now let's understand. Okay. So here there are certain things. You should not touch this playwright.config.ts. I'll tell you when you guys want to go and edit this. On demand basis, we'll touch this file. Else, please ignore this file to get edit. Okay? If you don't like the name, just leave it like that. It is not going to hurt you anywhere. Just leave it like this. So this is the core. This is the placeholder. When your execution is going to be kick-started, this is the file that will be loaded in the first point. Okay, it always require its own space, it always require its own format. Don't change or don't touch it unless until I tell you how to change or how to modify. Okay, so if you keep changing anything, I cannot help you guys because so it will take some time to debug what is the issue. Okay, if I open this particular file, please you can open that playwright.config.ts file. Okay, it's completely a huge file. There are so many properties. Okay, so don't touch this file. Now close this file. Right. Now go and click on that example.spec.ts which is available on test folder. Right. So on your left hand side you should see two play button that is getting displayed. This play button. This one. Okay. So this indicates that your playwright plugin is installed successfully. This indicates that your playwright is installed successfully. Okay, so when this will get visible or enable only if there are no loading that are happening in the bottom. This one. Okay. If it is keep spinning, then you can't see this play button. If it is ideal, then only you can see your play button. Okay. So if there are any errors available in this playrate config.ts, you can't see this play button again. So that's the reason I'm telling you that. So don't go and touch this playrate.config.ts. It is interlinked. It is completely interlinked here. Okay. So don't touch that. Right. So now to ensure that your playrate is successfully installed and able to execute your scripts, so just go and click on the play button, Pradeep. Click on it. Yeah. Leave it like that. Right. If you see here, it showed one pass. It showed one pass. It means that a playwright is successfully installed and able to execute test scripts on your machine. On your machine. Okay. So, Pradeep, can you go to the second one, line number 10? Just right click on it. Right click. No, on the play button only. Okay. Choose debug test. Second option. You can see some browser will be get open. Okay. Allow access. Okay. It will do some operation. It will go away. Right. Got it? Clear? Everyone? So this ensures that your playwright is installed successfully. Your node is installed successfully. So now we have to understand like how to get started and where to get started. How to get started and where to get started. Okay. So now Pradeep, just go and click on this. Go and click on this file explorer. On your left hand side, I have highlighted red color see here. Yes, just go and click on it. Okay. So can you delete the files that are available here, example spec.ts and this folder? Delete these two of them. Yeah.
Test example.
You can delete the entire folder. Okay. Yeah. So now just stop sharing your screen. I'll take control from here. Are you able to see my screen? Is it too small to see? Anyone?
This one.
Let me make a little bigger. Right. Now I'll just try to explain you how to start writing your first script, okay, or anything that you want to code in your TypeScript, right? We need a placeholder to go and write your code. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా కోడ్ రాయాలంటే నాకు ఒక ప్లేస్ హోల్డర్ కావాలి, ఒక ఫైల్ కావాలి. ఆ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేయగలుగుతాను నేను? Okay, so what you want to do, right? Just go and locate test folder. One second. Okay, so right click, choose the first option called as new file. Choose the first option called as new file. Okay, so on bottom you will be able to see a file icon that is getting displayed here. You should be able to see a file icon that is getting displayed here, or else లేకపోతే ఆ ఫోల్డర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి, టెస్ట్ అనే ఫోల్డర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ నీకు ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ కనిపిస్తుంటుంది, ఫైల్ ఐకాన్, which is going to called as new file. Either choose this option or right click new file, anything is acceptable, right? So now give some name, okay, and always ensure that your file extension is ending with .spec.ts. .spec.ts. Ensure that your file is always being ending with .spec.ts. So give any name without special characters, without spaces.
Is capital letters first?
Sorry?
First is capital letter I or
No. It is accepting anything, man.
Okay.
Okay. So use .spec.ts. Okay. Ensure that it always ends with .spec.ts. Press enter. Okay. You'll be seeing a empty playground here. You'll be seeing a empty file without having anything. Okay. So
Yes.
now let's try to understand what is required here to start coding. Let's understand what is required here to start coding. A simple syntax you should always keep in mind while you guys are going to write anything in your TypeScript or JavaScript. Okay. So now first thing what you want to write here is a block called as test. A block called as test. Here we'll be having two positions. Just try to fill that. What is the two positions? So first position, just to give double quotes and give some name. The name is called as test name. Okay. So I'm going to keep it as POC for testing. You can give any name. You can write your name as well. It will consider as a test name. So when you guys write any test case, you'll be giving a test case name, right? Similarly here also in automation, when you guys are going to design something as a test case, it always requires a name, right? So just go and give some name here. So I'm giving like POC testing. Now that is my first position. Everyone clear till now?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see what is the second position. Second position should always have a keyword called as async. Second position should always have a keyword called as async. It should always have async. Okay. What happened? Why this came? Don't worry, I'll tell you. Okay. Now, after this, what you do, right? Beside async, just to open a parenthesis. Parenthesis equal greater than symbol, open curly braces and close curly braces. Open curly braces and close curly braces. Got it? So first position is your name. Second position is a async function. You have to give a async function. So how should I give that? Again I'm repeating you. Async parenthesis equal to greater than symbol, open curly braces and close the curly braces. So now this is the placeholder. This is the placeholder where we are going to code, where we want to write your code. This is the placeholder. The empty space that is available in between the curly braces is the placeholder where we are going to write our code. But if you see in my line number 2, I am getting some errors. If you see here in the line number 2, I am getting some errors. So your TypeScript is telling that Pratap, I am unable to understand what is this test block is. Where is this is coming from? So this is coming from your playwright. So we have to tell that, dude, this is the test block which is coming from playwright. So where should I go and tell that? Where should I go and inform it? Right? So to get informed, what you want to do, first we have to write a import statement. Use your import, just type test, okay, from, where should I import it? From my @ playwright /test. Import test from, import test from single quotes @playwright /test. So from playwright I am going to import this test block. Okay. Now in your TypeScript or in your JavaScript, if you want to print any statement, the first command that we are going to learn is called as console.log. What is that? Console.log.
Log.
Okay. Parenthesis, double quotes. I'm learning JS. Console.log. Hello, I'm learning JS. Okay. Now just to go and click on this play button, you should be able to see this console.log here. Are you guys clear?
Pratap,
Yes,
play
sir.
button రాకపోతే Pratap,
Sorry?
if play button రాకపోతే what am I missing?
Yeah. I'll tell, there are multiple ways to execute. So if it is not coming here, it won't execute in your terminal also. You should get this.
No, I'm not getting actually.
You'll get, man, don't worry.
Only breakpoints are available.
Okay. So a second way of execution is just to go to your terminal. So on your on top, you should be able to see an option called as terminal. Go and choose new terminal. Go and choose new terminal.
Yeah.
Okay. Execute this command. npx space playwright space test. npx space playwright space test. Just drag and drop your file. Just drag and drop your file. Press enter. This code will get execute. See here, I got hello, I am learning JS. Okay. So this is, don't worry about why it has been given us 3 times. I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay. So this is the way how you can execute your program, either through your play button or either through your terminal. I hope you guys are clear. Any questions? Any issues?
Yeah, just that play button issues. I mean, other than
No, it should not be an issue, dude.
can I
See
share
that
one?
if you're making any wrong on your script, it will throw that error. It won't show you. Okay. Can you share your screen once?
Yeah.
Right. So I'll upload this video onto the drive and I'll share you the link. So please go through this. But I need all of your email IDs in the WhatsApp group so that I can make you to access that entire dashboard. Okay. I'll try to do that by today EOD. Okay. So please ping me your WhatsApp ID. This one, email ID in the WhatsApp. Yeah. Can you share your screen, Pradeep?
Yeah, I'm sharing. Isn't it?
stop recording.